a more beautiful pair of eyes. In Kanchipuram, there was a young man who lived an easy life. He was enamored of a courtesan called Mohanangi and spent most of his time with her. He was especially fascinated by her lotus like eyes and he was never tired of gazing into them. In her turn, Mohanangi also dearly loved him. Soon the chariot festival of Kanji Varadaraja Swami was to be celebrated. For this festival, crowds of pilgrims from all over India converged there and thronged the city. On the festival day, all the roads through which the chariot would pass were completely blocked by the surging crowds. Mohanangi and her friends gathered in a street near their house with fruit and other offerings for the Lord. The young man was also there, not because he was anxious to see the Lord's chariot, but because of Mohanangi. He brought an umbrella so that Mohanangi's eyes would be protected from the sun. While all the people were eagerly facing the street for the darshan, the young man stood with his back to the street, holding the umbrella over Mohanangi's head and gazing into her eyes. Mohanangi felt ashamed at his behavior. She told him to turn to the street and look at the Lord, but he could not tear himself away from her eyes. When the Lord came, the crowd offered arti to the deity and received the prasad. But for the young man, nothing existed except his beloved. At that time, a great yogi who was there noticed how intently the young man was gazing into the girl's eyes, oblivious of his surroundings. He knew that such devotion was extremely rare and needed only a little push in the right direction. Walking up to the young man and patting him on the back, he asked, "Son, what are you seeing?" Without taking his eyes off Mohanangi's eyes, the young man replied, "Look, Swami, how wonderfully lovely are these eyes. I am fascinated by them." The yogi smiled and said, "Son, there is another pair of eyes much more lovely, much more fascinating than these." "A lovelier pair of eyes? Is it possible for a lovelier pair to exist? Where are they, Swami?" Intrigued, the young man raised his eyes from Mohanangi's face for the first time. The Swami took his arm and led him towards the Varadaraja Swami temple. They entered the temple and went up to the inner shrine. The Swami stopped in front of the deity and pointing towards it said, "There, look, can there be a lovelier pair of eyes than these?" The Swami's powerful personality had already stirred something deep within him, and the young man stood still and looked. The beautiful, compassionate look on the Lord's face kept him rooted there. Oblivious to his surroundings, he gazed at the Lord's eyes for a long time. He was no more the lustful man, but a gopi pining for the Lord's darshan. He longed to be united with the Lord, and in that mood of a gopi, sang several kirtans to the Lord, asking him to come to him. These kirtans became the famous Muvagopala Padams of Andhra. Muvagopala means the boy, Krishna, with bells on his anklets. The devotee's name was Varadaraja.